Good morning everybody, welcome to the channel. Sunday the 16th of February and as you can tell, I'm going out on the little motorcycle. So this is a tale from the motorcycle bunker. That's for all our friends watching in the new world, Andy boy. Yeah, I'm going to go for a little spin on the CT. It's a lovely day. It was supposed to go to well, not supposed to. I was planning on going to the Ford of Dean yesterday on the Nikolai, but the weather was absolutely crap, so I just couldn't be bothered. So anyway, no dear. Nice weather. I'm going to go out on the little Honda because I want to try an external microphone on the GoPro, because when summer comes, if it ever comes, I'll be wearing my open-faced helmet, and obviously there's no chin mount to put the GoPro on, so I'll be wearing the chesty. And because I've got the media mod on, I don't think you're going to hear me rabbiting on talking random rubbish. So, but the good thing about this is I can plug in my power cable there and then plug in the external mic below there, and you'll be able to hear me waffling on. So all good. There's the external microphone from Amazon. This is the one for, not for this particular one, but it got a good review from Amazon, so we'll give it a go. Anything else new happening on the bike? Again, I've been sent this from my sponsor at Temu, a red camouflage watch, so I can see what time it is. I've fitted this little camera here. Little video is quite smart actually. I've had it a few years, so I thought I'll stick that on there, get a different point of view. I've got my cycle computer on there to tell me how many miles I've done and the speed, and it's attached to the front there. Wires coming up, billy billy bong. I've had to put some again from my sponsor at Temu, some little photochromatic spectacles from Temu. They sent me those because they're sponsoring me now. And I've had to put some black Aleki tape on the peak because it's quite noisy and rattly when you're toodling along. Other than that, it's all good. Nothing else to tell you about the bike. Looking forward to going for a little spin. I'm going to go down to Balf's Cafe, the other side of Abergavenny, grab a coffee, and then come back a little bit up over the hill into Blaenavon, over to Gilwan, Talgarth, and then back in. Right then, just going to get my leggings on, get kitted up, and go. I tell you, it ain't half a faff when you've got these bloody motorbikes getting all your kit. Anyway, let's go. Right, so there we are. We're all plugged in. Power cable to the power pack. There's the external mic plugged in, and I've got the mic here. And I've just had to put a cable tie around the windjammer because he kept falling off. Right then, let's finally get kitted up and bugger off. Right then, let's go. I hope you can hear me on the mic. Let's go and grab a coffee at Balf's Cafe. Oh, I'm still getting a bit of rattlage from my peak, which is annoying, and it's bloody cold, which is annoying. Hope the camera angle is okay. Hope that's not annoying. Right, the microphone's come unclipped, so I'll have to pull in and get that sorted. Right, we've just stopped to readjust the mic, put on another buff for my neck and a pair of inner gloves because it is chuffing cold, really cold. Right then, let's go. Bloody hell, it is bitter cold. Bloody hands are cold as well. I didn't really dress appropriately for the conditions. I thought it was going to be a lot warmer. I think I might just pull into the cafe at Puntrilas Timber, have a coffee there. chuffing hell. So this is Puntrialus now. I think I'm going to pull into the cafe here. That's if it's open. And it's closed. Brilliant. Oh dear me. Oh, it is bloody cold. Really cold. Bloody hell, I didn't realise how cold it was going to be. It was lovely when I started getting my kit on, and then when we set off, it kind of, the mist came down and it's chuffing freeze now. I'm not really dressed for the weather. I thought it was going to be a lot warmer. So I'm not going to Bouse. I'm here at Puntrialus Timber. Their cafe's closed, so I'm going to head back into Hereford and find somewhere for a coffee. Anyway, this was just to test the microphone on the external jobby, so I don't feel too bad, but I'm looking forward to the weather getting nicer so I can go do some proper exploring. Right, let's go. Engine's running a bit high, need to adjust that when I get back. Oh, I've got the little camera going there. Let's see what that's like. I think it records, it does a 5-minute record, stops, and then does another 5 minutes. So right, let's head back into town, grab a coffee. mph, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear me or not, so it's a bit of a test for the microphone. I hope this is the first time on the using the media mod on the bike, on the motorbike as well, so I hope the wind noise is okay. Okay, dropping back down into Hereford now, and it's dropped colder. Christ, Andy boy, Christ. I think I'm going to swing into Maccadee's and get a coffee. I came out for a coffee and I am going to go and have a coffee when I'm out. Alright, here we go, boy. Oh, right then. Got me a Philly stack. Well, it's one of them new Land Rovers ahead. Whoever signed that off as a good idea needs their ass kicking. Bloody ugly. Official. Oh, we're back. Let's go and get warmed up. Right, we're back. Not the ride I had planned, but bloody hell it was cold and I wasn't dressed appropriately. So I just let common sense prevail. Plus I got a bit of a headache. I must have slept funny on my neck. I got a bit of a headache and the cold wasn't helping that. Anyway, it's all good. Bike's going well. Just need to turn him down a bit. It's ticking over a bit fast, and I hope the microphone works okay. And it's the first time I've used the media mod out on the motorcycle, so it'll be interesting to see how that fares with the wind noise. Other than that, that's it. I'm gonna go get me warmed up now and process the video. Right. So until the next random content, which is going to be something whenever, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I will see you on the next one. In a bit, peeps.